कानगंज से बुनियादपुर न्यू लाइन जीरो लैंड एक्विजिशन में कई नाम पढ़ सकता हूं माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय। मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय सांसद महोदय को पूछना चाहूंगा कि उनकी सरकार का पश्चिम बंगाल की जनता के प्रति इतना विद्वेष क्यों है?
श्री प्रताप सारंगी जी।
यस सर, महोदय, माननीय मंत्री से आपके माध्यम से मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि बालेश्वर अमृत भारत स्टेशन के अंतर्गत है, इसका निर्माण कार्य कब तक संपूर्ण होगा और बालेश्वर जिला में, बालेश्वर लोकसभा में और कौन सी स्टेशन अमृत भारत के अंतर्गत है, इसके डिटेल्स में जानना चाहता हूं। नमस्कार।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, श्री प्रताप सारंगी जी हमारे बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेता हैं, बहुत ऐसे सांसद महोदय हैं जिन्होंने अपने जीवन को बहुत ही बहुत कठिन परिस्थितियों में निकाल के जीवन को गुजारा। मेरा इनके साथ बहुत लंबा
Well, Pragya, even as the proceedings continue, on the chair, Speaker Om Birla is not present, but opposition ruckus continues. But what happened really in the chamber of the Speaker Om Birla on the day when the Prime Minister was supposed to speak in the Lok Sabha?
Well, there was a lot of heated discussion, Amita, and in fact, many of the members had accused Speaker of partisan attitude, and not just that, there were also threats that have been issued, is what Mr. Kiren Rijiju said. And if you hear him, clearly, he said that not just threats, but also gali galauch also took place. So abusive language against Speaker was also used in his chamber, despite the fact that Speaker never uttered a word, and he just said that we need to come on one page, and also we need a smooth functioning of the House. For that, whatever is necessary, we need to do that. But it looks like that they were adamant. They wanted action and suspension of Mr. Nishikant Dubey. They wanted action as well. But Speaker said that let me also get the facts straight. I also need to consult the government, and also I need to see what has transpired in the House that day. But it looks like that the opposition members are very adamant and also very aggressive. The kind of footage that came out, in fact, the video has been released by one of the opposition members as well. They were shouting and aggressively speaking when Speaker was just sitting silently. So these are the kind of scenes that actually took place inside the Speaker's chamber. The dignity of Speaker is hurt, is what Mr. Kiren Rijiju is saying. And now that the removal motion has been moved by opposition, Speaker deemed it fit that it is his moral responsibility to not come into the House and to abstain himself from the proceedings till the debate takes place. Obviously, opposition doesn't have number. Yes. He also knows that. But the fact is that you cast an aspersion on a person who is supposed to be unbiased and who actually gives a lot of space to the opposition. Rahul Gandhi was, made to speak at least twice, despite the warnings by the Speaker that it is not an issue that he can take without approval or without permission and without notice. Rahul Gandhi saying that he doesn't need anyone's permission to speak in the House is also an insult to the chair, because even Prime Ministers take permission from the chair before he speaks, and he also gives notice before he wants to speak. So, when you are in House, when you are a member of Parliament, you have to abide by the rules of the House. And, being in opposition
so
does
as far
not
as current proceedings of the Lok Sabha are taking place as we speak, Speaker Om Birla is not the one who is presiding over the proceedings that is taking place currently. However, the opposition ruckus and disruptions continue. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Parliament updates continue here on the channel with other big stories as well. Round up for you. Back after a short break.